If you love nature but hate boring facts, then stay tuned for some mind-blowing valley trivia. Fact 1. The Grand Canyon isn't just a pretty face, it's over 70 million years old. That's older than the dinosaurs. Fact 2. The Yarlung Tsangpo Grand Canyon in Tibet is the deepest canyon in the world, nearly twice as deep as the Grand Canyon. Talk about deep thoughts. Fact 3. Antarctica has valleys too. The dry valleys are the driest place on Earth, and they haven't seen rain for nearly 2 million years. Fact 4. The Rift Valley in Africa is so massive it can be seen from space. Imagine an astronaut snapping selfies with that. And finally, Fact 5. Death Valley, California holds the record for the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth, 134 degrees Fahrenheit. That's one fiery fact. Hit like, subscribe, and share for more mind-blowing science facts. Stay curious.